Imagine a vast lake that once spanned 20,000 square miles and was over 1,000 feet deep, now reduced to a parched wasteland. Yet, amid the shrinking shoreline, signs of life are emerging, green lush oases on a dried-out playa. What's going on beneath the surface, and could this mystery hold the key to solving a critical environmental crisis? The Great Salt Lake in Utah has been shrinking at an alarming rate, primarily due to overuse of its freshwater resources for agriculture and municipal purposes. On top of that, climate change is accelerating the evaporation of water in this sun-baked region. But recently, something unexpected is happening. Reed-covered mounds have appeared on the southeast shore, indicating some sort of hidden water source. These densely vegetated areas are perplexing to scientists because, as you might imagine, plant life needs water. But where's it coming from? The Great Salt Lake is drying up, and the usual streams feeding it are stressed. So, how are these mounds getting the fresh water they need to thrive? A team of researchers from the University of Utah is diving into this mystery. Scientists have been investigating a subsurface plumbing system beneath the lake. It seems there is fresh groundwater slowly rising up from below the lake bed, pushing up through the sediment to reach the surface. This process is incredibly slow, but it's enough to nourish the vegetation that's popping up on the shore. The groundwater likely originates from deep aquifers, creating a potential source of fresh water for the future. To track down this hidden freshwater resource, scientists have been using aerial electromagnetic surveys conducted by the Canadian firm Expert Geophysics. A helicopter flies over the lake, transmitting electromagnetic signals deep into the lake bed. The data collected creates a 3D map of the underground resources, helping scientists locate these valuable freshwater deposits. Overexploitation of water resources is one of the leading causes of the Great Salt Lake's decline. Water has been diverted for agriculture and municipal use, leaving the lake unable to naturally replenish. As the lake bed dries up, it also releases toxic dust, causing air pollution and health concerns for nearby communities. However, the newly discovered groundwater system could potentially be used to re-saturate the lake bed, preventing dust storms, and possibly providing a new source of fresh water. While the discovery is exciting, scientists caution that we must not overexploit this newfound water resource. The potential freshwater aquifer beneath the lake could help mitigate dust pollution, but it must be used responsibly to avoid further harm to the wetland ecosystem. The research team is now focused on mapping this underground water and studying how old it is, as well as where it came from, to understand how it might be sustainably used in the future. If managed properly, the freshwater beneath the lake could play a crucial role in not just replenishing the ecosystem, but in helping communities that depend on the Great Salt Lake for their livelihood. It's an example of how understanding our environment and exploring new natural resources might help us overcome some of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. What do you think? Could this new source of fresh water be the solution to the Great Salt Lake's environmental crisis? Let us know in the comments below. Hit like if you found this fascinating, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on environmental breakthroughs. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet.